Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Upwork job proposals with optimized cover letters, full guide step by step clearly. To configure your Upwork job proposals with optimized cover letters, begin by understanding the job description thoroughly. Read through the client's requirements and expectations carefully. Take note of specific skills and keywords mentioned in the job post. Next, create a structured outline for your cover letter. Start with a personalized greeting that includes the client's name if available. Follow this with a strong opening statement that captures the client's attention. Briefly introduce yourself and your relevant experience in a few sentences. Address the key requirements from the job description directly. Use specific examples from your past work to demonstrate your skills. Highlight achievements that relate to the client's needs. Incorporate keywords from the job posting throughout your cover letter. This will not only enhance readability but also align your proposal with the client's expectations. Keep your language clear and concise, avoiding jargon. Aim for a professional tone that reflects your personality. Conclude your cover letter with a call to action, inviting the client to discuss further. Finally, proofread your proposal for any spelling or grammatical errors. Double-check that the formatting is clean and easy to read. When you submit your proposal, keep track of which ones perform well and analyze why. Make adjustments to your cover letter template based on this feedback. By following these steps, your Upwork job proposals will be more effective and engaging, increasing your chances of success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.